tumapat siya sa mga pinakamagaling sa mundo.
It was amazing. Actually, we came here and we were full of hope, and the game really exceeded our expectations. It was one of the best experiences na experience ko. Like I would say in my whole life, it was very, very, very nice to see all of the Filipinos come together. Nung last na lift niya, and talagang napuntan ako. It was so nice.
Xi Fang ng China ang nag-uwi ng gold medal pagkatapos mag-set ng bagong Olympic record. Samantala, buhay pa ang tsansang makapag-uwi ng medalya sa siyang kapagkayanan matapos bumalo ng 369 sa women's gold. Nagtapos ang round 2 ng Under 26 race pagkayanan kasama ng mga golfer. 2 stroke lang ang layo sa third racer na si Tia Correguilan at 5 stroke mula sa leader na si Metro Morty ng Switzerland. Si Tony Correguilan ay nasa joint 36th place kasama ang 4 pang